Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you how to make this beautiful wedding cake. It's 3-step wedding cake, and this took no time for making it, and especially if you're a beginner, it's very easy to follow the steps and you're going to love it. It's easy making this. You can make this as a birthday cake as well, guys. It's easy. Let's get started. So we're gonna start with a sponge cake. In the mixing bowl, add in your eggs, sugar. Whisk this until the eggs turns into light pale yellow. It should double in size, just like so, and then add in oil. The list and amount of the ingredients will be listed in the comment section. So if you want to know the ingredients, just go to the comment section and check the ingredients and then the amount that I used. I'll whisk until everything has come together and add in vanilla essence. I'll sieve in my flour and baking powder. So I divided it into two and sieve it one. I'll then add in milk and then mix until everything has come together. You want to mix it well. Then I'll add in the rest of the flour and the milk again. So you want to make sure you mix until everything has come together. You want it to be smooth. After, add in salt to balance the sweetness, and guys, this is the cake batter. Make sure you line your bake pan with your with parchment paper. Pour the cake batter inside and bake this at 160 degrees Celsius from 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick is inserted and comes out clean. Make sure you tap it to take out any excess bubbles as well. So this is the cake. Is baked now. I'll take off the I'll take it off and then I'll leave it to cool down completely. I'll then go ahead with my whipped cream. So this is the only ingredient that I'm going to use to decorate the cake. It's whipped cream. I'll let this whip. I'm using a mixing machine. You can use your hand mixture to mix it. So you want to whip until you get to a stiff paste. This is what you're looking for. I'll then divide the cake into 2 equal parts and then trim off the crust around it. This is what you're looking for. I'll take it out and then mix water and sugar. I'll mix it. You want a soft, moist cake, so it's better you do this part, but you can totally leave it out. I'll brush on top with the water and the sugar mix. I'll then spread apricot jam on top of it, but if you don't like it, you can leave it out and your cake will be nice as well. Later, I'll add in the whipped cream and then spread it in the middle. Just like so, and then I'll add the next layer on top and then use the whipped cream to decorate it. I'll put some on the top and then around the cake. So you want to use your spatula to make it smooth. If you think you need a whipped cream at some point, go ahead and add in. It should be smooth. And then to make it more smoother, just use your dip your spatula in water and then use it to smooth the cake. At the end, we're going to use a cake decoration to decorate it, so you don't want it that smooth. I'll go ahead and clean the mess over there. So this is my first layer that I've already done. I'll measure it to check if it's the same height with the second one. So this was 3 inches. The height was 3 inches, and then the length was 8 inches. So as you can see, it's at the same height. The height is the same, but then the middle one, the length was 6, because the first one was 6. The first one was 8 inches, and then the second one is 6 inches, and then the last one is 4 inches. So 2 inches less. I'll then measure the straw, because you want to secure it. So I'll measure the straw and then cut it and then put it in the middle before adding in the next layer, before putting on top the next layer. So if the straw, in case the straw is too long, you can use the scissors to cut it and then put the straw inside, then use some of the cream to cover it, and then put the next layer on top. So basically this is the cake. It's very easy making this, and if you want to use it as a birthday cake, you can only do 2 layers and you are good to go. I'll decorate it with some flowers. I'm using rose white flowers, and I have some fresh flowers. The red one is fresh flower. I'll decorate it with it, and then that's all. It's very easy making this. You just have to follow the steps carefully and you're good to go. I then decorate the top with just married and I add the flower on top. And guys, it's simple, it's easy. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're gonna give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, follow my page, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So the inside was a bit dark. We decided to take it out to take some pictures and then to take a video. That's why you're seeing it in my garden. It's not on the floor. I know you guys with some of your comments. It was on top of a glass, and trust me, this turned out so nice, and it's very delicious as well. I hope you're gonna give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.